Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into the heart of traditional Indian cuisine with a classic dish that's as nutritious as it's delicious, Kale Chane Ki Sabji. It will taste as good as meat dishes if you cook it this way. Take kala chana and thoroughly wash it in water to remove any dirt and impurities. Soak them in water for a minimum of 6 hours to overnight and watch as they swell up. Then drain the chana and add salt, turmeric powder, roughly cut coriander leaves, an inch of ginger, a few cloves of garlic, a green chili, and a half a cup of water. Blend them into a thick paste for the Kala Chana Barfis. Also, keep about a half a cup of the paste aside to thicken the gravy. To make the Kala Chana Barfis, thoroughly apply some refined oil on a metal plate. Pour the chana paste we made on the plate and spread it evenly. Then boil some water in a vessel and place a stand or a smaller vessel into it. Next, carefully place the plate on the stand and cover it. Steam the mixture on low flame for 15 minutes. Prick and see if the stick comes out clean, indicating it's cooked through. Now, cut the barfis into any shape you fancy. At this stage, you can deep fry the pieces and have it as a snack. Take a small piece to check how well it's cooked. For shallow frying the barfis, take some refined oil in a pan. Then add the barfis in batches into the pan when the oil is hot. Fry them on medium to high heat for 2 minutes on each side until they take a golden brown color. Fry them all and keep aside until we make the gravy. For the gravy, take some refined oil in a kadai over medium to high heat. Temper it with a bay leaf, black cardamom, cloves, green cardamom, cumin seeds, hing, chopped garlic, and grated ginger. Fry for 30 seconds until the oil is infused with flavors and the raw smell disappears. Then add in onion paste and fry for 5 minutes on medium flame until it takes a blonde color. Next, add tomato paste and cook until the oil separates from the gravy. Then add salt, turmeric powder, spicy red chili powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, and Kashmiri chili powder. Fry the masala on medium heat for 2 minutes until the oil separates again. Then for the thickening, add the chana dal paste we have kept separately earlier. Now on low to medium flame, stir constantly and fry for 5 minutes. Do not stop stirring or the chana dal paste will stick to the bottom. Once the gravy releases its oil, add in a liter of hot water. Bring it to a boil, cover and let it simmer for 15 minutes. This will give you thick, rich and velvety smooth gravy. Then add the fried burfis to the gravy and simmer for 2 minutes so the flavors can assimilate. Finally, finish it off with some chopped coriander leaves, a sprinkle of garam masala, and a dollop of ghee. So there you have it, Kale Chane Ki Sabji, a dish that's hearty, wholesome and heartwarmingly Indian. Thank you for watching and until next time, happy cooking!